All right, so primary memory. I'll be describing primary memory, distinguishing between random access memory and read-only memory, and their use in primary memory. Primary memory is made up of RAM and ROM. It is the memory that the CPU accesses directly in order to execute instructions. So you can see with the von Neumann diagram of the CPU and the RAM and how the buses communicate with the different components, such as the memory access register, memory data register, and the control unit, and then the cache in the middle. So RAM contains data and instructions the computer has loaded since starting up the computer and everything the user has opened or loaded. RAM is volatile, which means that all the content is lost when the computer loses power, and it has a direct link to the CPU via the buses, and its typical size is between 4 gigabytes and 16 gigabytes. Read-only memory, originally its contents were read-only and could not be changed. However, now there's flash upgrades which allow it to change the data inside. And ROM is non-volatile, which means that it does not lose its content when power is lost. And it also stores the BIOS, which is the basic input-output system. It's a small program that allows the computer to know what to do to find the operating system to boot the computer after power is restored.
Fancy, eh?
And as
some visual diagrams now.
And as a conclusion, to compare both of them, RAM is volatile, whereas ROM is non-volatile, and RAM contains users' programs and data that has been loaded since starting the computer, and ROM contains the BIOS. RAM is usually upgradable and can be increased in storage size, but ROM is usually part of the motherboard, which makes it difficult to increase storage size. Thank you.
You're welcome.